Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Whilst members of the lemon vest wearing lot choosing are busy collecting guns from kidnappers and armed robbers are shooting at them and it is not entering. Some are even riding on the back of a lion, and then some will tell kidnappers, where are you taking me to? And the kidnappers will return them because they just say, you know, where's the God of my choosing? May I use this opportunity to condole with the families of the CEO of Choosing, Pastor Lazarus Moka, on the demise of his second wife, who I learned died about a year ago and was buried about a week ago. Papa, my condolence on the demise of your second wife. I also learned that your first wife died about 10 years ago. My sincere and heartfelt condolence, Papa. One thing about life is that nobody will come out of it alive. And even though the burial was not announced, but I saw that some politicians and rich men like Obi Kubana came, you know, to condole with you. Even though some people, bishops like us, could not attend, but I didn't also see some other fellow bishops there. But my heartfelt condolence to the entire family. But my message today really is the fact that all of this choosing miracle of collecting guns, why is it that it's every time you have choosing that you always have gun? You have choosing, you have guns, you have armed robbers, you have cutlass and the rest. Please, for the others that do not know, these are marketing strategies. They are merely adverts. Please, all this collecting gun from armed robbers and riding on the back of a lion, they are for adverts to draw people. Please, borrow yourself a brain. Don't go and see real life armed robbers with guns shooting, or all these people that trigger happy people, and then you go and put your chest and say, I'm a choosing. Where is the God of my pastor? You will like a chicken. Nigeria has already had enough. All of this, if that were the case, we don't need to go to the market. Just open your fridge and say, I'm a choosing. The fridge will be full. Just open your car, tap it and say, I'm a choosing. And the fuel will be there. Just go to school and tell the school, I'm a choosing, and school fees will be paid. We'll just look at the government and say, I'm a choosing, and our bad governance will just disappear. Please, all these things are all gimmick. They are all adverts to hoodwink people, to draw people to church. So it is not real. If you see real gun, I beg, make you run. All this verse no be audacious. I'm advising you. Otherwise, you will like a chicken. Rich men no go even attend your burial. And like I've always said, Nigerian pastors will finally be the ones to destroy Christianity. I don't talk my own.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.